Calgary's biggest light festival. 10 years ago, this wasn't achievable.
Really important driving forces behind creating Nightlight is that we want to create an engine and an incubator and a playground to grow the talent for emerging artists and anyone that's interested in doing this. It's a place where you can come and experiment and learn and test and grow.
There's always a bigger capacity for more festivals, more culture, more art here on the streets for Calgarians.
Just as important to do good PR as to do good art.
Yeah.
If you only do good art, you cannot make a living out of it.
What is a light art festival? Many people ask, and it's light and it's art. Well, it's a little more, it is that simple, but it also isn't. So think about anything that you stop and go, wow, how did they do that? Or looking at a building surface that's been what we call painted differently using light. And we use special projectors and special lighting sources to make something ordinary look different. And of course, there is fire.
Here's the
In a big event like this, you always have to try and build in as many contingencies and backup plans and redundancies and backup plans as possible. But you can't plan for everything. And you also can't plan for human error, and you can't plan for miscommunication. Unfortunately, yesterday we had all of those, and now I have a pretty big problem to solve. You know, don't give up, stay in the fight, and stay focused on what the mission is.
We're going into night 3 tomorrow, and we're hoping the weather holds. And I'm the guy they asked to say that. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna rain, and then they're gonna put this in the documentary, and then it'll be like, I hope it's nice. And that's how you'll forever remember me in this documentary. So that's really great. Thanks, everyone.
So the way I like to describe an event of this size and magnitude is that you are fighting a war, and every day is a different battle.
David Lowe has been instrumental in shaping arts and culture here in Calgary for many, many years, and he's often been in the role of supporting other festivals and being really great. And this time around, it was really about supporting David's vision on what Nightlight could be for his own BIA. And it was really about shining a light on his work historically, and then the work of the community that usually comes together to make Victoria Park really excellent. What I'm really hoping that Nightlight does for Calgarians is that it spurs their imagination, and maybe someone out there can think of another festival to create for Calgarians, and then they realize that they can do it too. And they get started, and they have the confidence or the inspiration to move ahead with it. Because I think the more of these that we have in Calgary, the better.